Tired of complicated money transfers from the UAE? In this video, we're diving into a super simple way to send money home from the UAE using Taptap Send. First, make sure you've downloaded the Taptap Send app. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play. Open the app. Okay, time to set up our first transfer. You'll probably see a welcome screen or a login prompt if you haven't already. So follow the instructions to sign up or log in. Once you're in, tap on the Send Money button. Next, choose the country you want to send money to, selecting it from the list. Now we need to type in exactly how much money you want to send. Taptap Send lets you see the real exchange rate and what the recipient will get after entering the amount. Select how your recipient will receive money, whether it's cash pickup, bank deposit, or mobile money. Double check the amount and the receiving method before moving on. Next, enter your recipient's details. Pay attention to names, account numbers, and contact information. After, you will need to provide your own details. Now it gets into the payment methods. Choose which way you prefer to pay, either by debit card payment or bank transfer. Once you have selected your preferred payment method, follow the prompts to securely enter your card details, such as CVV or PIN. Final step, review everything. Make sure all the details, from your recipient's information to the payment method, are correct before you confirm the transfer. Then hit the Send Money button to start the transfer. You may also be prompted to verify your identity or answer security questions. The app will then confirm your transaction and give you a notification when it's done. Track your transaction via the app, and you are set. Taptap Send makes sending money from the UAE to other countries extremely easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. #UAE transfers, #TapTapUAE.